Hey guys, a very good evening to all my crypto believers. So have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the Coinmonks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Robinhood hits new low as FTX US and Bitstamp USA move into stocks. NFTs will change the movie-making business forever. A cryptocurrency exchange to become sponsor of Mexico's national soccer team. Turks are flocking to Bitcoin and Tether to avoid Lira's fall. So let's start up with our refresh feed. Firstly, FTX US and Bitstamp USA are developing stock trading platforms, which would be a further setback for Robinhood as its stock price plummets to new lows. According to a tweet from FTX US's president, the option to trade equities on the exchange may be only months away when crypto trading cools. Bitstamp USA has also stated that it is considering stock options. Let's have a deeper dive into this one. Brett Harrison, the president of FTX in the United States, tweeted on Tuesday that the crypto exchange is hard at work on stocks, with a debut expected in a couple of months. This isn't FTX's first foray into the stock market. The crypto exchange's worldwide arm unveiled a function in October 2020 that allows consumers to do fractionalized trading in tokenized equities. In January 14 interview with Bloomberg, Bitstamp USA CEO Robert Zagota stated the exchange is exploring entering equities, NFTs, and crypto derivatives. At this point, Robinhood is unlikely to embrace the added competition. The American financial services business finished at an all-time low of $15.3 on January 13 as both stock and crypto activity cooled. So moving ahead with our next segment, blockchain technology has truly transformed the world of investing. While cryptocurrencies are modern investment alternatives, the introduction of NFTs has changed the way creators and artists fund and sell their products. Let's have a look at what the anticipations are about. Filmmakers have been using NFTs to give their fans access to exclusive content like special interviews with the artist and movie scenes that are not featured in the film. However, the NFT community Arabian Camels has taken this a step further. They have collaborated with Swap Protocol to fund the production of its $50 million feature film Antara by using NFTs based on the life of ancient Arabian knight Antara ibn Shaddad. Joseph Brandmeier, the producer of Antara, said the impact that Arabian camels will have on Hollywood is immense. This is an exciting and revolutionary move that will inject a whole new lease of life into the movie business. The use of NFTs to fund the films will lessen the industry control of the conventional leaders and production studios to provide extra rights to the fans who support the film. Instead, the owners of the NFT will share ownership of the film, get credit as producers, or even get roles to play within the side of the movie. So jumping to our next segment for today, Mexico's national soccer squad will be sponsored by Bitcoin Exchange. The Mexican national soccer team will give crypto education in Mexico and produce a series of NFTs for the exchange to distribute. The Mexican national team's first crypto sponsor is Bitso, a Latin American exchange. Let's have a look at what's getting cooked. The soccer squad, which has 97,700 followers on Twitter, will collaborate with Bitso to provide crypto education in Mexico, as well as design a series of NFTs that will be distributed by the exchange. According to a representative for Bitso, the sponsorship value will not be disclosed. In a news announcement, Bitso CEO and co-founder Daniel Vogel said, "Our soccer club continuously motivates us to dream about achieving new heights, so we could not ask for a greater ally to promote access to technology and creativity throughout the region." After a flurry of transactions in recent months, Bitso has also announced its latest professional sports collaboration. The exchange just signed a 3-year sponsorship arrangement with Brazil's São Paulo Futebol Club last week. It also signed a sponsorship partnership with Mexico's Tigres Soccer Club in November. In Brazil, Mexico, Argentina, and Colombia, Bitso has over 3.7 million users. According to the firm, the crypto unicorn is worth more than $2.2 billion. So wrapping up with our final segment, to escape the Lira's depreciation, Turks are turning to Bitcoin and Tether. Cryptocurrencies are popular in Turkey and other developing nations where government economic policies are being scrutinized. The Turkish lira has become so volatile that many Turks have abandoned it in favor of assets with a greater risk profile such as Bitcoin. Cryptocurrencies have gained popularity in Turkey and other developing countries where there is a high level of skepticism of government economic policy. For example, Nigerians have turned to Bitcoin for payment following currency devaluations and stringent controls on access to foreign currencies. After 2 decades of being reliant on the US dollar, El Salvador became the first country to recognize Bitcoin as legal cash last year. Despite an official ban on using cryptocurrencies as a means of payment in Turkey enacted last year, Turks have welcomed them. According to Turan Sert, an advisor to the Turkish cryptocurrency exchange Paribu, the ban, which came without warning, caused a terrible experience in the Turkish cryptocurrency community. According to Mr. Sert, the government has pledged that a new cryptocurrency law will be introduced to the country's parliament soon, but there are few details on its influence. The instability of the Turkish lira and growing inflation seen in recent months has encouraged our investors to regard cryptocurrency as a beneficial long-term investment and a short-term inflation hedge, she said. According to Esrab Alpay, the firm's chief marketing officer, the number of new traders on the Turkish crypto exchange Bitlo increased last quarter as the lira's value plummeted. In addition, Tether and other stablecoins are also utilized for trading in and out of positions in more volatile coins like Bitcoin and Ether. So we would now wind up with the assessment for today evening and meet you all tomorrow with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of Coinmonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.